Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, the running mate to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the Vice President of the Republic. Oh man, 21%. A distant fourth. Now, pay the end Guasi Opeso good Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Sir, Damboche at 1%. Now, what I'm paying the Damboche at 1%. Now, Benabs in the other hand. Assemble Kurani. Mind games and answer real political work in Hawaii.
Adakabena, Osi, Oye, Enjushimu bi ana some study. Ana say Oye den information odi my unya ne hin. Oye Enjushimu or the acquire of fast so. Oye Enjushimu no the research methodology no. Or the kind one na.
I think na oba be publish a book on the book our day ba no.
Adakabeba sa unse ye no methodology ni ebe. Methodology ni ebe. The concepts so you see operationalizing no. So you see making the transition between a conceptual, a core empirical, now the determination, measurement. For example, okay, say obi a popular or church as you're saying, it's all translating on core empirical now or collective data no. Saying ena obusa in some more obusa ye or go dia na say or you open Emma. One more Obusa or Munsam, no respondents, no, or no hard in Tias, and there can be an answer of directory DB, Emma Womo, or see a shed animal near me, and Sana, Yaja to say, the work near scientific, and not you know, the bent to get no further, and answer the red pen, as I say, there are some mind games being on no air. The pattern, a fact. The next leader of the MPP, no, far-fetched, Papa. Because so the current issues are, it shouldn't become an issue now. It shouldn't. Any idea no crowd will be able to say, about to if anything at all, the focus no should be on another Dankwa Akufo-Addo and then the running mate Dr. Bawumia. Or consider the most popular person, or said then in another a female. I want to consider others now. It is another's name a household word. A household summary a damn calling no. I mean a bear me one said a nipper be a war MPP move and it didn't peer. It did that will be a catamasso chain another Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
And the way I was here through Nadia no. Only or say 5 most popular persons after Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
And next flag bearer for 20.
That makes that a young maker. No, that mean kind. If we are not in 10 years, a nipper and more. I said a nipper nimo, and I said one didn't down one. Oh, no. A person of fire will not stand in front of me. On one and my didn't be brave. The motion. No more motion nipa who did it my man nim no pa nipa ni din da nipa bebre ano na no kra no operationalization no hu hia ne data collection no o captain no bofo anase o mo translate ko twi o mo translate ya pen ana translation no efiti when na be affected the outcome it is like you na sha but we be atwin chan ya now you know sounds very controversial.
Book no dear was say, yeah, 20 me kwakoto book no be na me no abedi ho nkomo.
I know the say nipa ni bi asha say build one next. In fact, me are privy to some information pointing to that effect. That's how me cry no. Nipa ni bi was one book kakaka.
Eh. Just who so at the one person be winning ana.
No, one more I want that so said not to be in na I saw almost ACC ama the day after.
Oh, aso. The permutation and the Biashas Yedebano. Was it the next president will be Baumia and Kwajo Ponkrum's running mate? Will be so say the next president will be Alan Martin. Alan Martin with Boniface Abubakar as the running mate.
Interesting.
What's he saying?
Very interesting. Interesting pairing.
Now, I didn't you can also discuss this idea with that and name.
And no, na make us ordinarily. Omo, maybe names a omo here, omo, you know, a tactical preparation, you know, omo, they have no intention of going public even now. The at that fine at that level, maybe permissible, but so the Ebabeto Abonti say the premature actually premature. And more, you know, the major charge for the current season, you know, and one who cry. The Jesus uncle after. I mean, so many, maybe a year or two after the election. Yes, like I say, who dealing with issues that are just so direct, hitting the major political parties, especially almost key actors. I would say now I have very sensitive issue. Utie Nkomona Elkosuna, definitely, you know, some people are moving forward, putting pressure on their opponent in a way, heckling them. I mean, to use football language. And being on the defensive, no. If you know, focus. They know what they are doing, and then they are moving ahead, you know, to sort things out or that direction, you know. Indeed, I mean, no be all 100-meter dash. So it comes clear, you know, those who are focused, moving ahead, now campaign and prosecute your agenda. Anyone in a way, respond to, in a way, follow others. I don't want to be specific in any particular.
You, Eddie, you fancy I say for now. Na you should say you can swing regions, yeah. A Greater Accra, any Western, any Central. And so as a battleground, na kwaya Asante, are they?
Understand, you know, this some regions, you know, ever hold there, but in Ashanti region, votes, you know, very concentrated here. Population here dense. Yes, swing regions, but in 2008, first round, and the second round, we have difference. About Ashanti region to you now, then you understand in Koma Yiji. The MPP and Idaho, no much be mobilized. Almost votes now one Ashanti region year 2008 can another including first round. Arakabe this time round, I don't expect the MPP to make that mistake. NDC is so aware. So only 30% of the vote from Ashanti region, and piano, or betting kunim presidential race. This place is a major battleground. It is a major battleground. There's one other factor. NDC affects the Ashanti region in a way with some projects. They want reward. They want to be rewarded. But one more problem is that, yes, the Kumasi KJTI is there. Those who represent them in Ashanti region when they are in office, you don't understand NDC. Omonfa nipa, omo betimi ahanesi folks wahama omo. They bring people who work with power. In a way, in a hostile environment. It it is not going to allow NDC to reap from that, the battleground is here. I'd like to believe that over 2008 second round, if it was possible for the MPP to harness the votes that they did, and they do that now, then they will definitely succeed in getting their supporters. One more for one or another reason. One more, apathetic. They should work hard.
Right. Yamfansia, near Dawasi. Yana come na de.
Utie Oha Exi Pongno. Needs FM.